Imagine turning your voice, your expertise, or just your mobile phone into a steady stream of income. In today's video, I want to share with you how you can start earning money from social media and basically YouTube, because this is my major area of concentration to date. If you're based in Uganda, this is very, very possible. I know most of you people have been hearing people say, YouTube pays me some little money, maybe monthly, but most of you people actually do not believe it. But in today's video, I want to take you through what you need to know and actually whether it's true that someone can concentrate on YouTube or any other social media platform and actually earn some good money out of it. Most people are doing this as a full-time job and others are doing it as a side hustle. But the most important thing is you must get started. And this is what I'm going to take you through. Besides becoming a YouTube Besides entering into the YouTube Partners program, you can as well monetize your content in other means. For example, you can start affiliate marketing, or you can sell your own products on your videos. So by selling your own products, I mean you'll be generating leads from people who actually watch and believe in your content. So by mere entering into YouTube, you are creating a lot of opportunities for yourself. So one most important thing you need to know before entering into YouTube, you are not supposed to have expensive gadgets or even have a strong idea that you want to sell to the world. As long as you are willing to offer anything that you have with you, then you are actually ready. And if you are watching me right now, it means you have a smartphone in your hands and you have data on your phone. And that's all you need when it comes to content creation. Currently, as I told you, there are majorly two ways of earning money from YouTube. The first method is actually selling your products online. When you build an authentic online presence, it means many people who watch your videos will actually have trust in you and they will believe in your products that you sell. So you can generate leads. You can make much more money even when you are not actually monetized. Many people who make YouTube videos have sometimes small views, but from those views, you find someone has generated a lot of customers. Even if you get 5 customers per video, you'll find the video has actually made some good amount of money for you. So develop your online presence. Make sure you're always authentic and talk about make videos that actually relates to the products that you sell, so that at the end of the day, people who watch your videos can actually be turned into prospective buyers. Number 2 way of actually earning money from YouTube is entering into the YouTube Partners program. How do we reach that far of entering the YouTube Partners program? Of course, YouTube will always display ads on your videos after you have reached the 4,000 watch hours within 1 year and the 1,000 subscribers. So after that, YouTube will send you a notification to enter in the YouTube Partners program. After finishing all the applications, when you are actually approved, you start earning money from ads revenue. Of course, all of us are aware that YouTube is an advertisement platform, but YouTube doesn't make videos. So YouTube uses creators' videos to actually display ads. And those big companies pay YouTube. So YouTube shares the revenue it makes with the creators. And simply, that's how the YouTube business works. If I can actually be realistic on the YouTube earnings, this month I've earned 112 US dollars. It means if you are so much active and you make videos that people actually like viewing, you can earn even to 5,000 US dollars per month. Many people are making it. So I'd like to encourage you to get started in the YouTube journey, because this actually pays off. The good thing with entering YouTube is that the video you make today earns you money lifetime. It means if I make a video today, as long as people continue viewing it, I will get money from that video from all the years. For all the years it will actually be on YouTube, because YouTube will continue actually displaying ads on that video as long as it exists. So you can literally earn money lifetime from a video that you make today. So I want to encourage you people, the youth outside there who are struggling to create additional streams of income, to enter into the YouTube journey. It pays off, and I have personally tested this. I earn from the two streams as I have shared, and actually I'm available to mentor you in the YouTube journey free of charge. Just feel free to follow, subscribe, and like this video. Share it to your friends who have been struggling to learn how actually YouTube works. I'm very free and available to help each one among you get started in the YouTube journey. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice time. Bye-bye.